Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video I am making fruit baskets. Yes, from fresh fruit. These are good for your business. When I was a caterer and when I had my cleaning business, I would give, it's not only for you to receive gifts, but I would give gifts to my clients, and the fruit basket was one of the most popular ones. So today I'm making up a few and just want to bring you along. Now my favorite way of making a fruit basket is to use the strongest, because fruit is heavy, a strong, beautiful willow basket. I love this one, and I already started it. And then I put like some little cuties. These, I line the bottom of the gift basket, of the fruit basket, with little cuties just to give it some elevation. Okay, and then I put the biggest, most prominent, which I love, a beautiful prominent pineapple, and it's not ripe yet. Now you can tell if a pineapple is ripe by, you know, if you can pull these out. It's almost there. If you can pull out the little crown, the little spikes, the leaves easily, it's ripe. And also at the bottom, you can smell it. If you can smell it, and then if you can pull the leaves off that are down at the bottom, it's getting ripe. This is, by the time the recipient gets it and sit it on the counter for the day, it's going to be great. Now I'm going to put bananas in there. Normally, like if you're shipping a fruit basket out, or if it's going to be a few days, I don't recommend bananas, but this is going to be going out right away. So I like to drape a little bunch of bananas on the side there. This is already heavy. And then you want to consider color. Okay, you want different shapes and you want different colors. Let me come around here. So we have our orange, we have red. Red is a primary color. Green is a secondary color. It's between blue and yellow. You mix blue and yellow. And then we have orange. Orange is the combination of red and yellow. And so think of, I have yellow over here, I have red over here, orange, green. Okay, and so, you want to kind of place the colors that are complementary and that contrast. Okay, now also to package up your fruit basket. Now, because fruit gives off gases, it's best maybe to use some netting. That's what they do in the gourmet stores. Like the really high end, they'll put some mesh netting. Just like when you buy your oranges and stuff from the store, they're always in a mesh bag because the gases need to release. But if you don't have that, just make sure that your plastic bag has some vents in it. And even like when you get your grapes, you notice when you get your grapes, they have slits in the back so that the grapes can breathe. You need to do that here as well. So like you can take a hole punch and punch a few holes all around the bag. Okay, so you're going to need a bag or something to wrap your basket up in. Pretty bow. I'm going to use this one. Okay, then I have a bunch of grapes. Get a nice bountiful bunch of grapes. I got these purple ones, and because the purple is a contrasting color, and these big green ones. And just a minute. And I got some mints. So if we have some spaces where we can fill in, then we do that. Okay, so Let me see, we have more red over here. So I'm going to put the green grapes over here. And just put them right in between. Okay. Now we have more yellow and orange over here. So we'll put the purple. And just fine. Once you put your bigger fruits in, and I like the stems. I like to see stems because that's like the life force of any fruit or vegetable. So I'm going to go on and put a big bountiful bunch of grapes there. That's all I'm going to do. Okay. Get a handful of mints. I'm going to just fill in some of these gaps with candy. Look, if you go to some of the stores, they'll just put like tissue paper in. Me, I fill my gaps in with edibles. A couple there. Put some right here. So since I have, I'm going to put three candy canes over there and 3 candy canes over here. So that was broken. I have some more candy here. Then in the back here, I'm going to fill in and stuff some candy in the back. And step back, take a look. I want to see more peppermints. I want to see more candy. Put a few in sparingly. That's fine. I don't like it to look too junky, but I want contrast. And so I'm still looking. I like that. I don't want all of the, I like to see my pineapple. I want to see each piece of fruit, and then the candy is just filler. All right. Looks good to me. I'm still walking around looking, making sure there's balance. Yes, that's fine. Get all the different colors. You see the yellow, purple, orange, red, green. Okay. It's because if I put the green grapes over here with the yellow bananas, it'll just been too much of the same color scheme. So, all right. Get our bag ready. You can use any container you want. I'm a basket person and I like baskets mostly. But you can put this in a plastic bag. A plastic bowl. And like I said, if you're using plastic, put some slits in it somewhere. Put my Merry Christmas bow. These are nice too for my neighbors. Our neighbors like always bring us cookies and stuff over, and then you can, give them a fruit basket. Your friends and family that are at assisted living or in nursing homes, and also me, because I can get kind of allergic to I love flowers, but they make me sneeze, especially in the winter time when your house is closed up. So I'll use this as my centerpiece. Like if we're having a brunch, then this is going to be the centerpiece. Fresh fruit display. Okay, then we're going to fluff our bow. This was like a little piece of ribbon that I had left. Okay, one more minute. And then these little gift tags that you get from Dollar Tree. That set of 20, let's see, I don't know, I think we have the tree, the truck, the hat, and the snowflake. And it has to and from. So let's see. I think I'm feeling the truck for some reason. Just go with your gut. So I'm going to have our little truck. That's another decoration that's inexpensive, but it tells the story that it is a Christmas gift without, buying a whole bunch of expensive accessories. And then you take these corners, the corners you have here, take these back if it's long, because this basket fills up the bag pretty well, so you don't have to You don't have to tape them under, but just tape it back like this. Okay. And you make it pretty. This ribbon came from Dollar Tree. The candy came from Dollar Tree. Fruit from Kroger. Okay, guys. So that's how you make a beautiful holiday fruit basket. I want to thank you so much for tuning in today. I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas. I'm honored to come to you again another year with Christmas content. We'll be going strong again in 2023. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe, join the tribe, and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload any new content. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, Mom. Whew, this is heavy. Let me bring it up. I'm just gonna bring it up like this. Thank you.